Alright, ladies and gentlemen, let me welcome the one and only who's actually been the most integral part of the film industry for more than 3 decades. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, you put your hands together for Anupam Kher. I also heartily welcome Mr. Nari Hira sir, Chairman Magna Publishing Company, and Suchitra Iyer, Editor, Society Magazine. So one more time, if you can applaud for them. Alright sir, you are on the magazine, on the Society cover. How does it feel to be on the cover?
I'm not on the covers most of the time. Also in movies, the kind of role that I play is basically one of the major pillars of the film. And I think, first of all, thank you for Chitra for putting me on the cover, and Mr. Hira. It's a great feeling. It's right now I have mixed feelings. I'm emotional, I'm excited, I'm proud of my journey. It's wonderful, and this is a magazine which has been there for such a long time, and I have great respect for it. And it's a good looking picture, thank God.
You always look good.
No. This is a better picture. I'll show you some bad pictures of mine.
Alright,
Also, it gives me a sense of responsibility. When you put me on the cover of Society, it makes me a responsible citizen. When I think people get onto covers of everything, it gives you a certain. Now, it's important that to be a certain kind of a person, and the goals become higher.
Higher, yes. But I overheard, now this is something that I'm going to take a liberty on. I overheard that you've lost a lot of weight.
Yes.
So what is that, what is the diet plan? I think people ask me, people ask a lot of other people why. I think you should ask him about his diet plan. He's lost like 11 kilos. And that's out of the weight that you've lost. You can tell me what is that keeping you so motivated?
I think I was feeling that I had become from 85 to 90 to 93, and then one of the machines said, come one by one on the machine. So I said,
no. But is there any specific diet?
No, it will be surprising. You will be surprising. Of course, Rujuta helps me with my diet, but I only quit 3 things which I love the most: is rice, potatoes, and sweets. And I have never had meals without any one of them. Means I have to have rice, I had to have potatoes, and I had to have sweets. And I just quit them completely, and I walk for 1 hour.
Okay.
That's it. There is no other. I don't even understand what carbos are and what other things. What are the other things?
Weight training.
No, weight I do a little bit of, but all those things, I'm sure they are very important. But if you ask me my formula, I just quit these 3 things and I walk.
Simple format to actually.
I just felt that that helped me. Sorry, I'm not looking at you more often, and I'm looking here. It's a little. In other circumstances, it would have never happened. So let me just put it like this, so that I can look at you. And since your legs are covered right now, so it's okay. I can look at you.
Okay, so I am not seeing you, we are not seeing you so much on the silver screen, but I'm very happy that you're back on the essential form of art, which is theatre, and the fantastic play which is running all around the world, which is making us also very proud, and you are a part of it. How does it feel? This is the play called Mera Wo Matlab Nahi Tha, which also stars Neena Gupta along with him.
Yeah.
And
no, I think I have done in 31 years, I have done 492 films. So it's, and I've done all kinds of roles. I don't want to sort of do films which are not making me joyous, whether it's the people that I'm working with, whether it's role or something like that. So cutting down is on that, that's the reason. But I love cinema and I love to be part of films. Theatre is my first love. I'm from National School of Drama. I came to Mumbai, and the first thing I did was to do plays. And in the last 30 years, I've done 3 plays. My first play was Salgira with Kiran and I. My second play is Kuch Bhi Ho Sakta Hai, which is based on my autobiography. It's about my disasters, my failures. I've done about 326 shows of that worldwide. And on this March 7th, when I turned 60, I said, let me do something landmark. Instead of people telling me, let's have a party, is it landmark birthday, let's have this thing. So avoid that. what I did, I got into the rehearsals, and we were in the middle of shooting of Prem Ratan Dhan Payo, so my cast and my director used to travel with me to the locations. And Prem and my Mera Wo Matlab Nahi Tha has got phenomenal response. Means we have done 70 packed shows since March 7th, and in America it's got all kinds of accolades. In India, we have not till today opened the booking window of this place. Yeah, so that's I think it's fantastic.
But I also heard.
And also it's about rediscovering yourself. You cannot be constantly doing the same thing again and again. Means that's why one wrote a book, and everybody thought that I will write a book on cinema or on acting. I wrote a book on life coaching based on my, and that turned out to be a bestseller, 18 editions, 9 different languages. When I told my father that my book is a big bestseller, he says, Allah meherban to gadeda pehlwan. So I think it's important to keep doing things. It's important to do.
Yeah, but I was also researching on you and I found out that on your birthday, it's 10th September.
7th March. 10th September was the date declared by Las Vegas as Anupam Kher Day.
Yes, I thought it's your birthday. Sorry, I'm here. So,
It's my achievement.
Okay. So can you tell a little about that?
Nothing. In fact, it's that whole tour was apart from play being a great hit. It was. I discovered that various places I was given recognition for various things by the Americans. I first became the ambassador for He for She campaign by the United Nations, basically organization. Then I was given Houston. 7th of August is Anupam Kher Day in Houston.
Oh wow!
Then I got proclamations from all over the place, etc. But the best part of it was that when Las Vegas decided that 10th September will be named as Anupam Kher Day. I have no idea because I am not a gambler, so it's not that I lost so much money there, so the state got so much money.
I'm just thinking of Las Vegas and Anupam Kher, so...
It has no, and I had gone to Las Vegas for the first time. And surprisingly, I did not even go to a casino, though in the hotel that we were staying was a casino. Mm-hmm. But when the governor of that state said that we want to give you this honor, means कुछ भी हो सकता है. So my philosophy of कुछ भी हो सकता है has always worked with me.
Okay, now like how I'm just reading your tagline, which says that actors are very insecure. So what is that makes you say this, that actors are very insecure?
I think actors are very vulnerable and insecure both because of vulnerable. Because first of all, they have to play with. I'm talking about actors whether they have work or not. They don't have work. I'm not talking about actors who have work.
Okay.
Actors by nature are putting their soul on stage or in camera. And in today's time, the first scene starts and somebody SMSs to the world or WhatsApp to the world or tweets to the world what a horrible actor he is. So you're open. It's also the highs and lows are publicly known. It's not that only I will know my own life. The whole world knows that on a Friday it's decided that whether you are happening or not. So that does make it's difficult
to. Professional insecurity. Are you talking about
vulnerability? I think insecurity also means when I joined movies 30 years back, or when you see Dilip Kumar Saab stayed a superstar is still today for 60 years. Mr. Bachchan for 45 years. Shah Rukh Amir for so many years. So people had time and people. In today's time, I feel bad for the actors because they have to be, every movie has to work well for them. So it's an insecure feeling, whether actors admit it or not. Any actor who says I don't feel insecure, I think is either trying to be brave or lying.
Okay.
Yeah, because it is every profession is, but actors are more insecure because you are more open to abuse, you are more open to judgment, you are more open to passing a comment on you, you're more open to everything. But the adulation also is phenomenal. So that's why in this city, everybody, every day, at least I think 200 to 300 people come to make it. And the best part of this city is that this city has a very large heart. When I was telling Mr. Hira that I came to this city on the 3rd of June 1981. on the pretext of a job that was offered to me. And when I reached and landed, got down at VT station, I discovered there was no job. It was just a hoax. And I had left a proper job in the sense of a teacher in the Lucknow University in drama. I had no place to go. They had said they will send somebody. They had said they will some because I will get 5,000 rupees for this job. It was a teaching job in a kind of an acting school. And there I was standing at the VT station and there was nobody to pick me up. So I called up a friend of mine, Suhas Khanke, and I said, I have to live with you for at least 7 days. He said, 7 दिन से ज़्यादा नहीं रह सकते. He was practical because then I took a place in Bandra East, which was supposed to be with my students who were so-called students of my place. 3 of them. My landlady was a Dhoban. So she used to sleep in the kitchen and we 4 used to be in a room, that kind of a small room. But ironically, my address was Anupam Kher 2/15, Kherwadi, Kher Nagar, Kher Road, Bandra East. So I think that these are all signs of kuch bhi ho sakta hai. So, and I don't want to glorify my struggle, I don't want to sort of romanticize my struggle, but I've gone through the grind of being a nobody to being somebody. So I don't want to say that in Bandra East when I was thrown out then I spent nights on the railway platforms, etc., etc. But I also talk about it so that other people get inspired that bad times do not remain, like good times don't remain. So at the end of 30 years, if I can be inspirational in somebody's life, that's why one talks about one's miseries that one go through. But also because of my miseries, I stayed with my optimism. And whatever I am today is because of my optimism and hard work.
I'm going to definitely take back a lot of motivation from you. And I'm sure that a lot of people here have their questions, their set of queries. I request you all to please shoot one by one. Here, we have the man to answer it all. Can I have you?
Yes.
According to you, which is your favorite role now? Which is your best role right now?
Normally, to that question, I answer that I will answer after 30 years because I have 30 more years to go. This is just interval has just finished, I would like to say. But yes, my first film will always remain my favorite film, which is Saransh. I have enjoyed doing Dil Hai Ki Manta Nahi, Dil, Daddy, Khosla Ka Ghosla, Wednesday, Special 26, Baby. These are the films which have really... Maine Gandhi Ko Nahi Mara was the most difficult role because I was portraying a man who suffers with Alzheimer's. But when I see those films today and I say, oh my God, including Saransh, that I could have done better. But that is not because you have matured as an actor only, but you have also matured as a person. So you understand emotions a little more than what you understood when at the age of 29. But your favorite films of mine are my favorite films of mine.
Okay, can we have some more questions? Yes.
सर आप हमेशा देश के लिए लड़ाई रखते आए हैं, तो अगर आपको कहीं पॉलिटिशियन बनने का मौका मिला तो आप वो मौका
नहीं,
मुझे तो लग रहा है कि ऊपर हम नेक्स्ट पॉलिटिक्स में ही देखने वाले हैं.
नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं. और ये मैं रिकॉर्ड पे बोल रहा हूँ. मुझे पॉलिटिक्स में एक्टिव पॉलिटिक्स ज्वाइन करने में कोई इंटरेस्ट नहीं. घर में एक परिवार में एक सदस्य काफ़ी है. मुझे कोई इंटरेस्ट नहीं है. पर आई थिंक लोग कंफ्यूज करते हैं कि अगर किसी पॉइंट देश में किसी चीज़ के चलते अगर आप उस पर कमेंट करते हैं तो लोगों को वो कमेंट कभी कभी एक देशभक्ता नहीं लगता है, एक पॉसिबल पॉलिटिशियन का लगता है. बट दैट्स अ सैड थिंग टू हैपन बिकॉज इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू टॉक अबाउट द इश्यूज दैट बॉदर यू. इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, बट दैट डज नॉट मीन दैट आई नीड टू जॉइन पॉलिटिक्स. इनफैक्ट मेरी ताकत ज़्यादा है अगर मैं पॉलिटिक्स ज्वाइन नहीं करूँगा. जैसे मैंने पॉलिटिक्स ज्वाइन की, वेदर इंडिपेंडेंट भी ज्वाइन की या किसी पार्टी को भी ज्वाइन करता हूँ, तो फिर मेरी सोच उनकी सोच से इमीडिएटली जुड़ जाती है. तो मैं आई एम हैप्पी विदाउट बीइंग इन एक्टिव पॉलिटिक्स. एटलीस्ट अगले 10-15 साल तो मैं नहीं करने वाला.
आप सोचिए 10-15 साल के बाद
उसके बाद ज़िंदगी में पता नहीं कुछ भी हो सकता है. बट अभी आप संतुष्टि से आप ये जवाब अपने चैनल को या अपने अखबार में लिख सकते हैं, अनुपम खेर पॉलिटिक्स ज्वाइन नहीं कर रहे हैं.
Okay, that's the headline. But sir, what is the next Twitter sandesh that you want to give the world?
Today this is going to overcrowd. This is going to overcrowd Twitter today.
Okay.
I am going to मतलब go on a I'm going to
the
go on
world with your
I'm going to go on a rampage. You know,
No, but
so
Harry is shaking the world with his Twitter Sunday. I want to know that I mean, how do you do that?
what do I do? How do I do?
I don't know. What is the next question? Next step for Twitter now? Like, how is now?
I think I must say that in the last 2 months I've been abused left, right, and center for the last 2
That's why I
months
was
since I spoke my mind about it. But in spite of that, I have roughly about 5.7 million followers. I have only blocked 2 people till today because they abused my parents and very badly. Now they abuse them also. I still am handle. I think it's a great platform to learn. It's a great platform to interact with today's generation. When we took मेरा वो मतलब नहीं था to America, my people said हमारा play देखने 45 के ऊपर के लोग आएंगे because it's about me and Neena Gupta and it's about old people's love, etc. I said don't worry about it. I think it's today's youth may come across as irreverent, but they have a mind of their own. So Twitter makes me learn so many things. I do amazing things. Now there is something called Periscope, which is I live telecast my 15 minutes of before the play yesterday in Ahmedabad. I was nervous, so I went on to Periscope. You can live telecast worldwide what you are doing. So usually when I do Kuch Bhi Ho Sakta Hai, which is my autobiographical play, I'm alone in that play, and I feel petrified before the play, even after having done 326 shows. So what I thought, I said, let me just tell the world what I am feeling. So I spoke to the whole world, and then they said, don't worry, come on, you will do well, etc. Best of luck. So social media has its greatest assets. Because I'm an optimist and because I'm positive, I do not worry about what happens about otherwise. Yes, you do get upset when I have been, for the last 30 years, only people have said nice things about me because one worked towards it.
Yes.
And now because there are political issues, there are some point of people, etc. So the kind of trolling that can happen, the kind of abuses that come, you think, oh my God, how did they? There are some people, my tweet goes and the answer already is ready. So then you know that it's a kind of a camouflage hidden agenda.
But have you made, because your Twitter message was for somebody who is such a powerful person itself in the industry. And
Why are you camouflaging? It's Amir Khan.
So I want to know that, have you made a lot of friends and enemies within your filmy fraternity?
I have great friends. I think, including Amir, I would like to believe that he is a very, very dear friend of mine, because if you are frank and if somebody admits it that I'm frank, then you remain friends. In the greatest quality of this country is that you can have opinions, in the sense that you can have different opinions.
But have you made a lot of enemies?
I don't think about enemies. I don't have the time to think about enemies.
Okay.
The friends that are there, I'm very happy with them. But if they think that because of my outspokenness or because of my taking a stance, for whatever interpretation they want to give, and they don't like me, I think they have the right to not like me.
Yes.
So how difficult or easy has that journey?
You know, I am a trained actor. I'm a gold medalist from National School of Drama. So I do not believe in being this character actor and supporting actor thing. So I'm glad that the heading does not say anything like that. It's about an actor. You can't expect Jack Nicholson to be a character actor. You can't expect Robert De Niro, Al Pacino, all these people. They are actors. Unfortunately, in India, they slotted people into ये एक हीरो है, ये हीरोइन है, ये विलन है, ये कैरेक्टर एक्टर है. हम पढ़े लिखे लोग हैं. हमसे पढ़े लिखे लोगों के लिए एक्टर ही होता है. और जितने भी मैंने रोल किए हैं, मैंने एंजॉय किए हैं. ऐसा कुछ मैंने तूफान खड़ा नहीं कर दिया कि कल को मेरे सामने कोई दूसरा एक्टर आएगा नहीं. हमसे पहले बहुत सारे एक्टर थे और हमारे बाद बहुत सारे एक्टर आएंगे. For me, as a person and as an actor, journey is much more important than destination. I have enjoyed my horrible films also. I have really सोचता है कितना बुरा शॉट दे रहा हूँ या कितना बुरा डायरेक्टर है. When I was doing my first film, as in a death scene, my first death scene in a film, तो एक हवा रहता था कि death scene मिलना मतलब you have arrived as an actor. So I had this first time fight master who had become from a fighter to a fight master, and he kept telling me, sir, बड़ी मुश्किल से death scene मिलता है, जान डाल देना. So मैंने कहा डेथ सीन में जान डालूंगा, अच्छा कोशिश करता हूँ. तो उसने 3 मेरे बुलेट लगाए थे, एक यहाँ पे लगाया था, एक यहाँ पे लगाया था और एक यहाँ पे लगाया था. बट वो नया था. उसने इन 2 को तो अंदर से पैकिंग दे दी. वो क्या करते हैं, दे पुट इन रबर, दे पुट सम लिटिल बिट ऑफ बारूद एंड ब्लड, सो इट बर्स्ट आउट लाइक आउट दिस. And I always used to fantasize and think that if somebody has to kill me, they can camouflage it along with the real gun and the thing goes. So he forgot to pad this portion behind. So जब गोली चली, ये वाला तो मैंने ज़बरदस्त एक्टिंग की, ये भी लगी और ये एक्चुअली लगी. तो मेरे दिमाग में आया ये किसी ने गोली मार दी है. And I'm thinking that actors always think about headlines. Let me just. So I'm thinking at this stage of my career, I will come on the 5th page of a newspaper. For 29 years. So I must still say, damn, now I'm dying. But I must complete the shot so that people think that marte bhi kya acting kar gayi. So then I opened it up. It's still that wound is still there.
So you actually were hit. You had.
Yeah. Instead of the gunpowder getting out, it went in. Because he had forgotten to put the wooden plank. So when I opened it up, it had gone deep. तो हमारे देसी इलाज होते ना, अब तो कॉन्ट्रैक्ट में लिखा होता है, something happens to you. Now everything is contract oriented. वैन में ये आपके मेकअप मैन ये हैं, ये हेयर ड्रेसर ये हैं, आपका कॉन्ट्रैक्ट ऐसा है. अभी तो 50 पेज का कॉन्ट्रैक्ट होता है, तब कुछ नहीं होता था. तो एक आदमी ने कहा मेरे पास इलाज है. उसने चूना लिया थोड़ा सा और लगा दिया, तो यहाँ से धुआं निकला. So I have enjoyed those movies also because I have a story to tell about that after 29 years. So those stories, those films which were not great, where the directors did not know ABCD, also provided me with so much fun stories. So I look at life like that.
Which has been your favorite character or your favorite role for that matter that you have played up till now?
I just answered that.
There's
I think more the difficult, I'll say favorite because it was difficult for me to do that.
Because that also Saransh is because your first.
No, मैंने गांधी को नहीं मारा because I had no clue about Alzheimer's. I had no clue, and I wanted to, because I was the producer of the film, so I wanted to do really very, very in a focused manner.
Okay.
But I had no, so I met a lot of Alzheimer patients. I saw a lot of documentaries on Alzheimer's. I suddenly discovered that my great-grandfather had Alzheimer's. So I said, oh my God, किताबों में लिखा होता है कि it's hereditary, etc., etc. But the problem was that Alzheimer patient does not have any expression in his eyes. It's blank. It's not even forgetful. And I was not able to get that because I got everything, how he walks, etc., and how he keeps doing this or whatever it is. But I was not able to get the blank expression across. So I said, I don't know swimming. So I said one day at 4 o'clock in the morning, I went and I said, okay, let me walk towards the beach and into the water. Till I realized that I do not know. Because कोई भी मिलता था सुबह 6:30-7 बजे तो सब लोग बोलते थे अनुपम जी नमस्ते. So I knew who I was. So that particular friction of a second, I think when my feet touched the water, I felt something and I immediately threw up. And I knew that what it is to be like blind. So that's why also the insecurity of it, because you have to work hard for it. But what was the minus point of doing that film? कि मैंने इतना रिसर्च किया था, अब कोई भी मैं चीज़ भूलता हूँ तो मैं सोचता हूँ पेज 47 पैरा 3 लिखा होता है कि भूल जाओ. So once I was praying, I do 3 mantras every day for the last so many years since I childhood. After the film, I was doing the second mantra, I forgot.
Oh God, okay.
तो किताब में लिखा था, if you forget, just sit down. How can you sit down? You're constantly thinking, वो कहाँ गया? But it's interesting. So that was difficult.
Any more questions?
सर आमिर के कॉलेज वाले स्टेटमेंट पर आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
सर इस समय तो सेलिब्रेशन का दिन है, ये वाली बात क्या कहना चाह रहे हैं? ये आज क्या आप लोग फिर आप लोग कवर की बात कम करेंगे, आप ये बात करेंगे जो मैं बोलूँगा, कुछ नहीं अभी जो बोला। आई एम नॉट अ क्रूसेडर फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, आई डोंट वांट टू कम अक्रॉस एज ए क्रूसेडर की हर जगह जाकर मुझे उसके बारे में बात करनी। जो मुझे महसूस हुआ, आई वॉज इन टोरंटो, माई टैक्सी ड्राइवर वॉज मुस्लिम जेंटलमैन एंड ही सेड टू मी कि साहब आपने सुना आपके एक्टर ने ऐसा कहा है, तो आपको क्या लगता है कहना चाहिए था? तो दैट ट्रिगर्ड ऑफ एंड दैट एज इट्स अ स्पॉन्टेनियस रिएक्शन and I have stuck to it because there is nothing, I have not said anything wrong in that. I've just said that this is a great country. Let's you with position of power comes sense of responsibility, you know. So we have to say as celebrities or something, things which also do not create fear in smaller places and smaller in people like that. That's it. बाकी इसको मैं अभी झंडा लेके खड़ा नहीं होना चाहता हूँ, कोई ऐसा नहीं है. आई हैव ग्रेट लव फॉर आमिर, आई हैव ग्रेट लव फॉर एवरीबडी एंड आई एम नॉट सेइंग इट टू बी politically correct. If I was politically correct, I would have not said all that. You must understand that I'm in a profession where nobody sticks his neck out. So if people have to take it wrong, I have shut the doors of at least 50 producers who are, so I'm not worried about that. My point is, it's important sometimes to live with yourself is more important than to have to be popular with people. We can all make popular statements. But I run an acting school. And in acting school, I keep telling them, stick to honesty and truth. And stick to the spontaneity of your heart. Because if you feel what is right in your heart, which is on your left, then you are right.
Sir, but do you think actors should think twice before making such statements instead of political?
And so the amount of flags both of them received in Shah Rukh or Salman, do you think it makes sense? They would call names like anti-national and things like that.
नहीं गलत है, वो तो सब बकवास है, वो तो मैंने आप कंडेम द दैट्स ओके. बट यू नो हर जगह पर हमारे आपको मैं अपने फ्लैग कुछ पढ़ के सुनाऊंगा तो ये सब वी विल हैव टू गो थ्रू लॉट ऑफ बीप्स. सो कुछ नहीं, वी हैव टू लिव विद द टाइम्स. बट कोई ये थोड़ी कुछ भी देर ज़्यादा नहीं रहती है कुछ चीज़ें. इसका जीता जागता उदाहरण ये ऑफिस है. कोई भी चीज़ ज़्यादा देर नहीं रहती. आज से 25 साल पहले मैं इस ऑफिस में, इट्स सो आयरॉनिकल, झंडे लेकर आया था और इधर से भी मुर्दाबाद के नारे चल रहे थे, उधर से भी मुर्दाबाद के नारे चल रहे थे.
Oh, is it?
यस. और उसका भी एक फनी सीक्वेंस आपको बताऊं मैं, पता नहीं कहाँ से वो कुछ हमारे झगड़े हुए थे और मैंने कुछ बोल दिया था इनको, तो सारी फिल्म इंडस्ट्री के लोग झंडे लेके यहाँ इस ऑफिस के नीचे आ गए. अनिल वाज देयर, लॉट ऑफ पीपल, मिथुन वाज देयर, सलमान वाज देयर, लॉट ऑफ पीपल वर देयर एंड आई वाज द लीडर, यू नो. एंड तो आई रिमेंबर वन गर्ल, निवेदिता, I don't know which department was she was. She was standing here and she was saying, Anupam Kher मुर्दा खा रहा. मैं suddenly I was thinking, ये क्या हो रहा है यार, हम कितने बेवकूफ़ हैं. ऐसे में कोई बाहर चल रहा होगा आदमी, आपको बताया नहीं, I must reveal that today. वो मेरे पास आया, उसने अपना कुर्ता उठाला, उसमें तमंचा था, कहता चला दूं. Yes. It was, हाँ मैंने कहा क्या कर. तो बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं, चीज़ बदलती रहती है. Nothing is permanent in this life. Actually, what is important is that we respect each other. Great love. Today I'm here. It's the most amazing.
हो सकता है जो कभी एक दुश्मन थे, आज एक दोस्त हैं और
दुश्मन तो कभी भी नहीं थे. ये हम सब लोग जवानी के जोश में कुछ ना कुछ चीज़ें करते रहते हैं.
Shahrukh Khan said, no, you make it made with Anupam. Why haven't you made it with me?
Yes, he said it on the awards. Yes.
Yeah, you are.
There was one more question that we can take.
Yes, sir, I was reading this article where you mentioned how Vatsal said that Amir wanted you to interpret the scene differently in Dil Dekhi Matan. Is that a trait common only to Amir or common to all the other superstars who have worked there?
मेरा बड़ा दिल कर रहा है जब जेन्युइन जवाब देने के लिए.
So, genuine jawab.
नहीं, आई थिंक बाकी लोग सटल होते हैं.
So, Amir is in your face.
He was. Nobody can deny that. You can call up Bhatt Saab and ask him. And Bhatt Saab being Bhatt Saab, वो तो आग लगाने में मतलब उनको तो होता था, उनको तो मज़ा आता था. उन्होंने तो कहा कि भाई ये बोल रहा है कि तुम्हारी इंटरप्रिटेशन बकवास है, पिक्चर एक दिन नहीं चलेगी. तो थोड़ा सा उसको झटका लगा. तो मैंने कहा भट्ट साहब, मैं अपना काम जानता हूँ, मैं पढ़ा लिखा एक्टर हूँ. मेरा ब्रीफ ये है कि दिल है कि मानता नहीं में एंड के सीन में बाप अपनी बेटी को बोलता है कि पूजा बेटी भाग जा, मैं दुनिया का पहला ऐसा बाप हूँ जो अपनी बेटी को शादी के मंडप से भागने के लिए कह रहा है। अब ये बाप इस तरह का थोड़ा सरका ही होना चाहिए ना। आई कॉन्ट प्ले हिम इन अ वेरी सीरियस मैनर बट दैट्स द ट्रूथ। बट सजेशन आती रहती हैं, ऐसा नहीं है, मैं बहुत सजेशन देता हूँ, कभी कभी तो तंग आ जाते हैं लोग, बट नॉट अंडर एस्टिमेटिंग द अदर पर्सनस कैपेबिलिटीज, नॉट से कि ऐसा ही होना चाहिए, ऐसा नहीं। सॉरी,
Are we going to see
I
you
would love to.
together?
He is a producer director. He can cast me anytime. I would love to work with him. I've not worked with him for 25 years. I miss him. Maybe. He's to me.
So view on Panas Leilani's standout session.
वाह बेटा बहुत देर से बात बोले हैं. And but I think it's ridiculous. I think we are in the world of internet. We are on phone. You can see everything. You can't make such. I have been a censor board chief. I know that the rule book is very outdated. It needs to be changed. Rule book has not changed. So Pehlan Nilani from a point of view can say that this is what the rule says. But I think he needs to use his own common sense and his discretion. क्या word होता है? Discretion and sort of say that we live in 2015. We can't be doing this. We can't be making fool of ourselves in the process of sort of telling the world this is what you should see and this is what you should not see. मतलब आज किसको रोक सकता है? आपको कोई भी आपको मोबाइल पे जाना है, आप कुछ भी देख सकते हो. अब जेम्स बॉन्ड किस नहीं करेगा तो आरती थोड़ा करेगा. I think he needs to sort of change his also, and he needs to widen his horizon quite a bit.
Alright, I have one, actually two last questions.
Has there been any movie where you sleepwalked through it?
Oh, plenty of them. You can make that out.
You would like it.
In one movie, I've actually walked in my sleep. क्या था? हमारा दिल आपके पास है. I have, because you see the problem is stage में actor is the king. In cinema, actor is no brilliant actor can be brilliant if the director is not good, if the writer is not good, if the music director is not good. So, and also once I got work after 3 years of being on the streets of Mumbai, then I did not look left, right and center. मैंने कहा जो आ रहा आन दो जो भी मिल रहा है, अच्छा बुरा जो भी है, because the humiliation today I can laugh about it, that's sleeping on the platform, but the humiliation that you go through is real. It's your own attitude that one can sort of make fun of it. So I have, out of 495 films, there are plenty of movies. Outside I will give you the name of the films also. No, there was the film called Nigahein. I must tell you, this incident is an interesting incident. हरमेश मल्होत्रा जी बहुत अच्छे इंसान थे, पिक्चर भी अच्छी बनाते थे. उन्होंने नागिन बनाई थी, तो नागिन वॉज ए सुपर हिट. एंड इन द एंड उन दिनों वो रीमेक्स नहीं बनते थे, तो पीपल यूज्ड टू किल द विलन. तो नागिन में अमरीश जी की डेथ हो चुकी थी, तो ही डिसाइडेड टू मेक नगीना पार्ट 2 और नागिन पार्ट 2, एंड ही कॉल्ड इट निगाहें. Thank God, Amrish ji's character was killed, so I was chosen for the next person. And मेरे दिमाग में शुरू से ये था कि मैं ऐसी एक्टिंग करने वाला हूँ कि लोग भूल जाएंगे अमरीश पुरी जी को. जब ये घमंड आता है ना, तो आदमी ओवर एक्टिंग करता है. तो मैंने हर सीन में जान डाल दी, और ऊपर से क्या हो गया, रिलीज से 3 दिन पहले पूरन चंद राव जो साउथ के प्रोड्यूसर थे, वो डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर थे, उन्होंने मुझे ब्लू लेबल की बॉटल भेजी जो मैंने जिंदगी में कभी नहीं पी थी, विद नोट व्हाट ए परफॉर्मेंस सर. तो मेरा दिमाग खराब हो गया, रियली मैं पागल हो गया. और मैंने किरण का मैं इसका प्राइवेट शो रखना चाहता हूँ. शी सेड आर यू श्योर? तो मैंने कहा हाँ 100%. क्या देखो ब्लू लेबल आई है और इसमें लिखा है व्हाट ए परफॉर्मेंस सर. तो मैंने यश जी को भी बुला लिया, मिसेस चोपड़ा को भी बुला लिया, प्रेम चोपड़ा को, किरण को भी, और 1-2 लोग और भी गए. यूजुअली किरण वॉक्स इन अ थिएटर, एटलीस्ट दोज डेज, वॉक विद माई आर्म, होल्डिंग माई आर्म एटसेट्रा, एंड वी सैट डाउन. और फिल्मालिया स्टूडियो में ट्रायल चल रहा था. पहला सीन हुआ तो मुझे लगा थोड़ा मैंने ज़्यादा किया है. ऐसी फीलिंग मुझे आई और वो फीलिंग डबली श्योर हो गई जब किरण ने अपना हाथ हटा लिया और दूसरा सीन जब आया मैंने कहा मर गया। और पैम ने पीछे खांसना शुरू कर दिया और मैं सुन रहा हूँ, कह रही है पैम यश जी को, डार्लिंग मेरी तबीयत खराब हो रही है। और अभी तो 2 ही सीन हुए, अभी तो 11 सीन बाकी है। चौथे सीन में आते आते किरण इज पिंचिंग मी नाउ और यश जी से ओ बेटा की हो रहा है यार की हो रहा। और 5वें सीन में मैंने सोचना शुरू कर दिया, हे भगवान भूचाल आ जाए, सांप आ जाए, ये किसी तरह से रुक जाए। इंटरवल के बाद सब लोग चले गए थे, उनका नहीं बहुत अच्छा था। तो ऐसे ही अपने आप में गलतफहमी के शिकार बहुत होते हैं ना, तो ऐसी बहुत सारी फिल्में हैं जो आपको मिलेंगी।
This is the most modest
You are
man.
hilarious, actually.
He's such an honest man.
Yeah, so it was frightening, and I don't know. वो पीते हुए मुझे मजा भी नहीं आया ब्लू लेबल का, बिकॉज पिक्चर चली नहीं थी।
And one more question that we can take on here. Yes.
I love that. I just finished a film, Headhunters Calling, with Gerard Butler and Willem Dafoe and Max Jenkins' बच्चा एक. It's about a man. Headhunters means that's his job. Has a typical American dream and wants to achieve, wants to become the partner of the company, etc., etc. And he has a very normal family, 3 kids. And the eldest child develops cancer, and I play the oncologist to him, who has a philosophy of his own, whose philosophy is very important. He represents the Indian philosophy of why medicine will take its own time, but how families have to be together. So it's a turmoil between him wanting to achieve his dream and him wanting to spend. I had great time. The kind of time I had, it was fantastic. The letters they wrote to me are phenomenal. I'm dying to publish them ताकि लोगों को पता लग सके. Twitter पे उतनी जगह नहीं, मैं डाल नहीं सकता. But it's fantastic, and I'm very lucky that apart from the roles that I've got in these 2 films, I've found friends for life. Means how many people can claim that Robert De Niro is my friend? I can openly say that he's my friend, because I also went to his 70th birthday to New York. He came to our school. I will say Gerard Butler. So these films have given me great relationships. Also, when you work abroad, in my mind, I think I'm representing India. In my mind, it's like representing India in cricket, hockey, or boxing, etc. When I'm doing a film with Hollywood people or abroad, I think I have to give my best, and that works out well. So I'm looking forward to the release of this film. I also loved being part of Sense8, that Wachowski's series on Netflix.
Okay, fantastic. That was actually one of my questions that I wanted to ask you. But the other one, I want to know that Kiran Mann, we know her as an actor. How is it when you are staying with a politician at home?
No, you don't have to add the politician part of it at all. How is it when you have to stay with Kiran at home?
Okay.
For a politician, she does not bring the politics to home, and I do not bring my acting to home. She is a wonderful person, great friend, very intelligent, very mind stimulating. But she also is a very strong lady, and I'm also a very strong person. So there are moments which are hilarious, which I look at life from a very comic point of
But who
view.
is the dominating factor in your house? Is Kiran Mann the dominating person?
Do you think I should say that also? No. There is no domination. I will be lying. I think she says to me that you are passive aggressive. So I do not know what does that mean.
And quietly make sure that
So she must be. Yeah, exactly. So she says that, and her thing is very obvious. She is like this with me also, with her father also, who is 102 years old, and with her son also. She is straight. She is blunt. She is brutal. So मैंने एक दिन बीच में उनको कहा कि मैं यहाँ पर बहुत सारे लोग हेयर वीविंग करा रहे हैं अभी एक साल पहले, तो मैं भी हेयर वीविंग करा लूँ, तो कहती घर मत आना. So there are. I think it's very entertaining. It's your. I think it depends on how you want to take life. If you want to look at miseries, everything is miserable. Every single moment is miserable. But I love every moment of life. It's so wonderful to be alive. It's so wonderful to be positive. It's so wonderful to make people happy.
I like your positive outlook. And
That's the only outlook one should have, according to me.
So how are we going to see you next now? What is the next step? Your plans?
After 1 year on another cover? No, I think there are lots of things that are happening. I'm writing my next book. The first book was The Best Thing About You Is You. Next book is titled Lessons Life Taught Me Unknowingly. It's a funny kind of a book about how I went through life, etc., etc. And I'm doing Dhoni's film, and I'm happening.
We would want to see you more and more on silver screen. We would want to see you on stage, wherever, but that potential of acting should not go away.
Not at all. I run my school. I love teaching. I love teaching. I love teaching in my school. That's the best thing that I've
So
done.
make sure that you come and you make us entertain as you always have done.
Absolutely.
My
Absolutely.
best wishes with you, sir.
Thank you.
That was
And I want to
an
thank
actor-
officially that thank you so much for this, because it's much bigger than a nomination in this year's Stardust Awards. Thank you very much. And I will positively be roaming around on 20th on the gardens of that award function with this magazine like this. This is the best trophy I've already got. So thank you so much for putting
Thank
this
you
together.
so much,
And
sir.
thank
My
you.
best